Good evening, Hewitt Elementary friends. So tonight I'm going to read to you Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Janet Chapman. Brought my two little friends with me too. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights his wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn, and then brew black tea. They made some popcorn. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." I love how they're sharing. I know my friends at Hewitt Elementary like to share. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. He has lots of friends coming over and doesn't even realize it. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Having a great time. Hare strokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleek makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh, I think they got scared. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. He roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Uh-oh, he looks really mad. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping in. I've had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And then the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn, and we can brew more tea." Bear was a little sad until his friends got together. Bear gulps and he gobbles and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends, they snore on. Friends, I hope you liked our book tonight. So I hope you have a good night. Remember, we love you. Good night.